how to add Aliexpress products to Shopify. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. You want to log into your Shopify admin. Use the search bar to search for Aliexpress. And we will need to find Aliexpress Dropshipping Center. Click on this option. You can use other dropshipping apps as well, but I suggest this one. And you want to click on install. Now, once you add this to your store, we will just need to confirm the installation here. So we're going to click on install. It is going to automatically be installed on our store, and it's going to look like this, AliDrop. Sure. So here, what category of products are you looking for? I am going to do choose for me based on what's trending, continue, Aliexpress products. We want to leave this as checked, and we will click on continue. Now, usually these apps will ask for a subscription, so you will need to choose a plan here. We have $1, so on and so forth, and you will claim your trial here by typing out your credit card info. And once you connect this app, you will go back to your store here. I'm just going to refresh it, and you should see it in the app section. And you can import the products once you have selected your plan. Now, you have other options as well, such as AutoDS, and you also have CJ Dropshipping. And these also have plans available, and you just want to install this, and that is going to import the products from Aliexpress to your store, and you can sell them and drop ship them. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.